How's it going, everyone? Today we are looking at these drill brush cleaning brushes. And this is actually my second pack of these. I've had these ones for a while, decided to order another pack, and what better chance than to show you guys exactly how these work and all the different things that are included with this right here. And if you're not familiar with how these work, you can see right beside me, I've got a drill and a impact wrench, and they're basically just used for that. So let's have a look at some of the stuff that's included, all different types of cleaning brushes and cleaning materials right here for that. These ones are kind of like a spongy, soft one, which are pretty nice. And then we do have, ooh, look at this. This one is definitely good for polishing, which is really, really nice. And then we've got a thick bristle one, another thick bristle one for circular, another thick circular one, smaller bristled one, and an angled smaller bristle one. We got the kind of the brush one. This will be good for cleaning tires on your vehicle, which is really good. We've got a small one, which is cool. And look at that, they even include a little extension. I don't think my last pack that I got of this had this extension tool, so we'll throw that aside. And this is your grippy one right here. So your grippy one, you can grip on these pads right there. And let's go ahead and try it out. So I've got my DeWalt drill and I've got my DeWalt impact wrench. So you can use these with both, but I would actually prefer to use it with the impact wrench. The reason why is because the impact wrench will fit the drill bit a lot easier and faster. So you can see how it's easy to remove. So it's got the same drill bit as the impact wrench. But if you put any one of these pieces, so it's got all that same impact wrench drill bit at the end, but if you put any of them into a regular drill, they'll work perfectly fine as well. So let's go ahead, here we'll put the smaller one in here. There we go, so the smaller one, now we've got it locked in, and you can drill away with this one. So I could probably put it in a little bit stronger, but that's okay. Let's try out this one right here. So we'll take off this pad right here, and we'll put this nice soft pad on, just like that. And then we can just attach it. And there we go. We are good to go. Also, let's try out the extender piece right here. Extender piece in, this piece in just like that. So we got extension for cleaning tires, cleaning walls, getting into smaller areas. You can put in even the smaller brush onto this, and then you are good to go. You can spin around and you can clean away. But I use these actually, we cleaned our bathroom with these, with the little brushes. So we used a brush, I think it was similar to this one, and then we used a smaller one for the tighter areas. But polishing, cleaning, anything like that, if you have a drill, you have an impact wrench, either one of those, they work perfectly fine with this set, and what a great value this set is. So go ahead, check it out. I definitely recommend it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.